Ticks will avoid you completely. Pour cloves into a bottle. Prepare a plastic container, preferably with measurements to accurately dose the product. Pour about 200 milliliters of alcohol. Get a plastic spray bottle. Using a funnel, pour the alcohol into the plastic bottle. Add 100 grams of cloves. Cloves have a strong scent, which makes them useful in many ways. Seal the bottle tightly. Let the mixture sit for 4 days. Remember to shake the bottle daily so the ingredients mix well. After 4 days, the mixture will change color. Strain the liquid into another container. Add 4 tablespoons of baby oil and mix thoroughly. Using the funnel, pour everything into the spray bottle and seal it. This spray is an excellent tick repellent. Spray it on your hands or other areas of the body. Remember to shake the bottle before each use.